Welcome to the Learning Academy. Let's review the NASA SpaceX Crew Dragon rocket launch. This space launch was scheduled for May 27, 2020. On May 27, 2020, NASA astronauts Doug Early and Bob Behnken boarded the spacecraft. At T-16, Mission Control announced that the space launch would be postponed until May 30th, 2020 at 3:30 p.m. This delay meant that both astronauts had to deboard the spacecraft, and they would have waited 3 more days to leave Earth's atmosphere. Space launch that was scheduled for May 27th ended up being treated as a wet scrub. If liftoff is delayed on May 30th, 2020, the other mission dates are June 1 and June 2. Crew Dragon rocket launch Demo 2 is of great significance to the United States. This mission is very important because the last time that astronauts were launched from the United States soil was in 2011. Later, the Space Shuttle program was cancelled. All subsequent travel to the International Space Station by United States astronauts were done via Russia's Soyuz capsule. These flights on the Russian Soyuz capsule has cost $4 billion. Crew Dragon rocket launch is the first attempt in almost 10 years to launch US astronauts into space from US soil. Successful launch of the Crew Dragon on the Falcon 9 rocket will be a momentous occasion for NASA and SpaceX. The successful launch of Demo 2 for Crew Dragon would mean that SpaceX would be the first private space exploration company to successfully launch humans into space. Doug Early and Bob Behnken are 2 astronauts that will be traveling on the SpaceX NASA flight. They are both test pilots in the Marine and the Air Force. They were selected for NASA's Commercial Crew Program in 2015, and they have been colleagues since the year 2000, and they formed the astronaut group 18, Falcon 9. Well, Falcon 9 is a reusable rocket, similarly to the spacecraft Crew Dragon, which is also reusable. Thanks for watching.